Hi, this is Paul with the Frame Team, here with an optimization tip for you. Often when you find models online, they'll have single color materials attached to each object in the scene. This is not great for performance. I'm going to show you how to merge those into a single object with a shader that reads the colors from the individual vertices of that object. Let's begin. So first, we're going to select one of the colored objects and add create a new material slot and make a new material. Then, instead of a flat base color, we're going to select color attribute. With the red shaders still applied, I'm going to select Vertex Paint, and we're going to select the color from that. We can also select that color by hand. And once we say set vertex colors, those vertex colors have been set. Now if we remove the red, the material underneath is reading those red vertex colors. Now let's call this material vertex colors. Great, let's do that again. Select the blue, and now add a material slot and select the vertex colors. Now we go to Vertex Paint, Color Picker, Eyedropper, and then Paint, Set Vertex Colors. Now we remove that, and the color is still blue, and we can once again fix that up by hand. Great. Now for the sake of speed, I have given all of the other objects vertex colors, and now it's just to apply the shader to everything around it. So I'm going to select this with the blue as the active object, Control L to link materials. Now right click, join them all up. Now we have a single object reading those vertex colors from the object. All right, all that's left to do is file, export them as a GLB. And that has been your frame optimization tip. All right.